with a big deal today. It's our 24-hour 6th annual silver celebration. So hope you're enjoying the day. I do want to remind you, one time shipping and handling, that's it today. After that, it is free. But we have something brand new that we are going to celebrate. And it is all about our Sonoma studios. And this is a big deal. You know, it's about this wonderful celebration of vineyards and the beautiful coastline that you see. Don't you wish you were there right now? Well, we are going to bring you there. Think about the beautiful, vivid colors, the organic elements and nature, and 3 fabulous designers that bring you this line. And let me introduce you to Melissa Van Nuys, who is with us. She is the product developer, and the trend manager for this fabulous line that we are bringing here to you. And Melissa really is all about the trends and traveling, and part of the design team that brings us Sonoma Studios. And Melissa, it is so nice to have you here.
It's so wonderful to be here. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Good to have you here.
Wonderful to be here and to share this amazing collection with you.
It's very exciting, isn't it?
It is. I'm thrilled.
And you literally do, Melissa. You travel all over the world and to all of the major capitals, Milan and Paris and New York and the Far East, where you really source the stones and bring them all to us here for this line.
Exactly. That's my job as trend manager.
Yes.
I literally travel the world. I look and see what is hot. What is in right now? What's in the magazines? What's on the runways? And I take those styles, I bring that home, and I really sort of mill that down and figure out, okay, how do I take this trend and translate that into real life?
You bet.
You know, I want this jewelry to be wearable. I want you to live in this, and that's what this jewelry is about. It's about casual elegance, different medias, different gemstones, sterling silver mixed with all these amazing gems just to make each piece so special.
And you're a native of Sonoma County, correct?
I am.
Fabulous.
I am.
So you really live it and breathe it, and that is all translated into this fabulous, and I do mean fabulous, jewelry. Now look at this pricing. Melissa, this is really outstanding because for $59.90, by the way, it is brand new, and we are already counting down what we have remaining. I have fewer than 200. If you want this, it's on 2 flex pays of $29.95. Guess what? 3 flex pays with the HSN card of $19.97. This is 30 inches. The drop is 3 inches. But listen to all of the gems. Look at this card. I have a whole card. Half of my blue card is all of the gems. The bottom half of my blue card, just to show you, is all gems. So everything from brown opal, green pyrite, yellow pyrite, red jasper, green jasper, howlite, pink howlite, abalone shell, pink mother of pearl, brown wood, black wood, red wood. I mean, think of everything that encompasses beautiful Sonoma. That's what you've brought to us here, haven't you?
Right, exactly. And it's a perfect mosaic, a perfect just collection, celebration of gems within this necklace. And you're absolutely right. This necklace sort of epitomizes the, you know, Sonoma County lifestyle, the Northern California casual elegance. You want to, you know, you want to be comfortable, you want to be laid back, easy breezy, but you want to feel beautiful. And that's what this does. And you look at the attention to detail that is in this piece, the artistry. We strive to, you know, look at each and every individual piece and make it and bring it to the absolute most beautiful that it can be.
It's just phenomenal. Everything that you'll be able to wear this with. And again, 30 inches, you just layer it on. Whether it's something flowy and tunicky and maxi, or, you know, very structured and pulled together.
It's so easy. Just throw it over your head as you're, you know, walking out the door.
Yeah.
You're beautiful and good to go.
And you can get yours now while it is here. But it is time, which has been already extremely popular.